As you can see behind me, hii nayo, it's called a backhoe. And behind me are our students learning how to operate a backhoe, and that can only happen here at Jodan Modern Machinery Training Institute.